Okay, quick look through Friday's end of day closing screens. Mad day for me today, rushing around everywhere, still rushing around until 2 minutes ago. Cheers, James, sound and vision. So, a little bit of a nothing day in the US today as well, isn't it? And a little bit of a nothing day in gold, but gold stocks seem to do okay today. A little inside day after that move up yesterday. So, I'll just jump straight into these screens. I'll load the US ones probably tomorrow afternoon. Got to go and see my mum in the morning, lunchtime-ish. But yeah, let's jump straight into it. Let's just buzz through the markets first. Transports. Little ledge building in the right side of this base here, isn't there? Which is nice to see. A little bit of relative strength today in the transports. Kind of interesting that GTRS, US GTRS was so many of them are in the pullback, you know, 50-day pullback area. Markets at highs, so take that as you will. But you'd expect them to come together in some fashion, wouldn't you, at some point? Certainly the GTRS is showing a very different picture to what the markets are doing, and obviously, you know, that if you look at the unweighted, you get a different picture on the S&P, the equal weighted, sorry. So yeah, interesting stuff in the US. We've got a bull flag in the industrials there. We've got a bull flag in the S&P. We've got a bull flag in potential bull flag in the Nasdaq, and we've just got like just zone of interest, as we call it, on the Russell there. I think they'll just come together in a very orderly fashion, and then the melt might, you know, I don't want to curse it, but it's kind of got that feel. I presume we'll find out, won't we? DAX just still going sideways. FTSE 100 obviously traded a pretty strong swing move there, and it did it on some pretty good volume. I mean, look at that pullback. Should we put the weekly up there? You know, real obvious place for money to come back into the market there, wasn't it, from that first pullback to that little base? And the volume confirms that. Moving on, 250. We're kind of first pullback after moving through that base level. And the fully listed small cap is pretty similar, isn't it? Undefined base. So yeah, interesting. Right. Just buzz through these quickly, and then I'll buzz around the house and finish all the other things I've got to do. And then we'll relax. It's the gaps. Closing house. We've only got 34. Really quiet today. Obviously, we've got a new month coming up as well, so be interesting to see the action. Lose less scenario. Yeah, I see the and the forward numbers look pretty good on this. I see the line in the sand, early days, obviously. And into those swing points. Well, that's loading. Let's just have a quick look. VLX RFX, that's the gold one. Gold play, really. Right, all those by sector. Anyone's got anything they want to look at, shout it out. I'm coming in hot. The whole day's been running at this speed. AVG there. So again, we kind of talked about this big reverse fall base there. I've already drawn the pullback. Share scope's just done that funny thing again. Let me zoom out. Crikey. Should we change charts? See if it works then. Yeah. So I've already drawn the pullback. Won't work on the other chart for some reason. But doesn't mean it will happen. Might just base out nice and tight. But big reverse fall base there. I'll just put it in AVG. Always try and punch in the ones that have got some growth. No, it's not bad. 12% forward turnover, is it? At least it's double digits, but moving on. Let's just fly through these. I got the log scale. It's just that one's just. I'll leave it on this wider chart, but I think it's like a 3-year chart. This one, just slightly more time frame. Just give you that forest for the trees view. A VLG here, just a real boring pullback after moving out of this really loose base. Really sloppy action. VLG. Doesn't look half bad, does it? It's just a shame that we've got no profit numbers here. I've got a 0 for the posted and a 0 for the forward as well. So I mean, that's not exactly very inspiring, is it? Whether anyone else has got some or there's some guidance on it, let us know. If there is, use the chat group. Yeah, so that's what I see today. And in the end of day, VLG, RFX, ATYM. Yeah. Nothing needs punching in there. Okay. Cheers all. Have a fantastic weekend.